Welcome to Trive. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get started with Trive Social. Trive Social is a platform that blends community and technology, allowing traders to copy top-performing traders. It's great for new traders and anyone looking to diversify their strategies. Download the Trive Social app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and follow the steps. Step 1. Select Create Your Profile. Step 2. Fill in the details such as your name, email, password, phone number, and country of residence. Select both the checkboxes and tap on the Register button. To complete the registration process, please check your email to confirm your account and return to the app to log in with your credentials. Once you are logged into the app, you will need to link your MT account to start copying trades or providing trade signals. Tap on the account icon on the bottom of your app screen and go to the account page. Tap on the Link an Account button. Step 3. On the next page, select the correct server from the drop-down options, enter your trading account number and password, and then select the Copy Trades option. Once your account is linked successfully, you will see your trading account number on the account page. If you are not able to connect your trading account, reach out to Trive support at support@trive.com. Step 4. Navigate to the Discover section. Search or select a signal provider to start copying their trades. Step 5. Tap on the Copy button and on the next page, select your trade size and specify the percentage according to your trading goals. You can also select Copy Existing Trades option. This ensures any open trades from the signal provider will be copied. Additionally, you can select the Round Up to Minimum Trade Size checkbox. This ensures no trades are missed. Step 6. Select Agree and Copy. You can also set the drawdown percentage. Navigate to the Accounts tab and tap on the drawdown option below your account number. Step 7. Select Set Soft Stop and Hard Stop levels. Please note that drawdown protections are not guaranteed. Regularly reviewing your trades is critical to managing your risk effectively. Step 8. Select Agree and Confirm. Enjoy seamless copy trading with Trive Social, where your journey mirrors success. Download now.